Okay, good evening, guys. So I'm back again with an exciting video that is very, very interesting, and like I always do, and like I've always done, is that correct? I've always been giving you guys stock analysis, forecast, and breakdown analysis, all on my YouTube channel and also my previous Facebook page that I lost. This is very exciting for me as back to back all of my prediction has been playing out. They have always shared with you guys on YouTube and also on the Telegram community. So I shared ARKA 2 months ago. If you check my YouTube channel, this is it right here. All right, and if you check this right here, I only had 49 views. Good. 2 months ago, I posted an update for you guys, and I labeled it ARKA ETF New York Stock Exchange, known as the NYSE, which was uploaded to the Telegram channel when, let's see it, I shared that on August 18. That was when I shared ARKA right here. All right, and I shared also the prospectus for the ARKA, because what I always do is when I drop a stock market that I have eyes on, I also do explain the reason why I have eyes on them, and a lot of stuff inside. So I always, most of you guys know I don't explain something with PDF or typing. I do everything that I have to teach, everything that I have to explain, everything that I see and feel like sharing the idea with everyone. I always do that in a video format. So inside this Telegram channel, or everything I'll be posting, every update, analysis, everything is all video format. So for easy breakdown analysis, right? So I also did other ARK stuff, but I didn't share that. I only share the one that is very, very interesting. So if I go to my downloads and I search for ARK, you actually see lots of them. You see ARK A, you see ARK W, you see ARK X, you see ARK Q, yeah, ARK B. If I show all, you can actually see them right here. We have ARK A, ARK X, ARK B, Q, W. Alright, so that is, by the way, the most important thing that I wanted to share is ARKA, which I shared on my YouTube channel, which is the Bitcoin ETF. And I noticed something that happened recently on ARKA. The first thing that I noticed that happened on this ETF was that it shifted from New York Stock Exchange to Chicago Board Options Exchange. So they moved, alright. And immediately they moved, the next thing that I also noticed is that ARKA now pays a dividend. So the dividend that they pay is $14, which is very, very massive. Now, I thought BlackRock was the only ETF from the ones I've known. I think that BlackRock is the only one that paid $5, which is very high. But then when I saw ARKA paying a dividend of $14, that is massive compared to BlackRock. And this right here is a Bitcoin feature, right? Is an ETF. You can actually see the name EA Series Trust ARK 21 shares active Bitcoin future strategy ETF. That is just what it is. And from the YouTube channel that I explained this, I say that since I have the belief that Bitcoin is going to maintain a bullish trend, then ARKA should also do the same, right? Because this is, and I also mention that if you miss investing in Bitcoin probably in the past, right, this is a good opportunity, because me myself, I would never invest in Bitcoin. Why did I say so? Because it is now expensive, like $100,000, like is in $1,000. So I cannot be able to purchase one shares. But when it comes to the ETF, that is $45, $40, I can purchase one share and own that one share. So expecting it to trade to whatever level it wants to, probably $100 or $90. So if I have 2, 3, 4, 5, I can purchase, right? I can use my $100 to purchase one share or 2 shares of like a Bitcoin ETF. So when I shared this on YouTube channel, it was actually at this price level because price tapped the demand the first time, right around $45. They say that. So now let me just use these to look for it. Yeah, $46. So I explained everything on the YouTube channel, which I did first on the Telegram channel on August. So 2 months ago I posted on my YouTube channel. Now we trade higher, we came back again, and it did very interesting something, which is trading deep inside the order block and did a sweep of liquidity right here, right? So we have that sweep, and the next thing we had was a sweep of previous month's low, which is very, very sweet, because those, if you are trading inside an order block or the smart money concept, if you want to have a confirmation inside an order block to show that it is valid, you are wanting and expecting to see a sweep of previous low to tell you that there is a sweep of liquidity or hunter liquidity inside the order block, and there's a structural shift or structural shift, and there you expect a retracement, and then you're entering the trade with your confirmation entries. Now I explained previously in the past that I don't analyze the stock market on the lower time frame. What is my reasons? My reasons is due to gaps. I don't understand what is going on when I'm the daily time frame because of all these gaps, so I can't analyze. I don't do that. I can't understand the chart. So I always do my analysis on the monthly time frame. If you go back when I posted Tesla, I explained every reasons why. So this is a clear update to the ARKA that I shared on YouTube. We're always almost close to target, and I explained that it is a bullish trend because we have this low, we have a new high, we have buy side inefficiency, and this order block was the reason why we have that impulse, right? So price retrace backward, fielding the buy side inefficiency, and tap the order block that trade higher to give us this all-time high. So price, I explained that we'll be expecting price to trade lower into it, give us a higher low, and we go higher to give us a higher high, right? And then we expect it to continue doing like that and keep going bullish as long as we are seeing Bitcoin doing its stuff, right? Bitcoin is strong. I don't think nothing can beat Bitcoin down, right? Bitcoin is just like gold, but in this form, in this case, it is like a digital, it's like gold in a digital form. All right, so that is the way we see Bitcoin. Now for other ones they have shared also that you see, I did an analysis right here previously months, like earlier this month, 2 months ago, today, which is what I shared on the WhatsApp community. This one earlier this year, which is I don't know, September, yeah, August, September, yeah, August, September, that I did the analysis. All right, so the first one I shared, which is kind of interesting, was ARKX. I shared this also on YouTube channel. I explained everything. We are close to our target, which is the buy side liquidity pool. We did ARKW. Now this ARKW didn't go. I didn't put much interest in it, even though I know that it's going bullish because I see a high and we have a sweep of liquidity right there. I'm expecting it to go higher because if you check right here when I did the analysis, ARKW, where are you? ARKW, this was, I think I did it in the past. Alright, so we did ARKW. We also did ARKA, ARKW, ARKX. We have ARKQ and ARKB. ARKQ, which is technology and robotics ETF. This one was moved also to Chicago. Let's see how it goes. It went bullish, just like I predicted. Because of what? It is a bullish trend. You see the advantage of why I say higher time frame plays a very big role to whatever you're doing, trading or investing. We have this low, we have this high. All of this is a pullback to fill up the inefficiency that we had right here. Immediately we reached the demand zone, price accumulated. How did it accumulate? It traded into a supply zone right here. It tapped into it, refused to sell, and it shifted. Right, so the prediction is to see it go higher. when you can buy one asset of it. And I noticed that when they shifted, they started paying dividend, right? This one is small. Okay, so another one was ARKB right here, massive. ARKB traded massively, and I shared on the Telegram channel all of the ARK asset because I'm more focused on ARK. So ARK is an organization by Catherine Woods. So I went through all of his assets. Okay, I went through all of his assets. So ARKB right here, when I did the analysis, it was at the price of $62. Okay, expecting it to go bullish. We also had ARKF. We didn't look at ARKF, right? Okay, ARKF predicted a bullish move from the price of $27. When we look at ARKF, let's see what happened. ARKF is still under the New York Stock Exchange ARKA. So ARKF still going bullish, right? So how do we do that? We had a sweep or sell stop. We have the purge right there. So while we were on the purge, we saw a confirmation entry when price swept break out of this high, trade backwards to the demand zone, and that was how I predicted it, because there's no bearish trend, right? If I have to go bearish, I would have seen lower lows and lower high, but in this case, this is just a one-sided move, like a single move, like a swing leg. Yeah, that is a better word to use. A swing leg that swept a buy stop, and the expectation is to see it go bullish, right? So that is what we actually see right here. So I want you to pay very, very close attention. So all of the ARK assets, I don't know, I think I have to stop right here. Okay, so you can just go to your chart and do a little bit of back test. There are lots and lots of assets that I analyze that I can't even remember. So yeah, so that is it, guys. I hope you guys are learning from the updates that I've been sharing right here on this channel and seeing the progress and everything, how they all played out. So what else? All right, so that is it, guys. So I'll be dropping access to my Telegram channel, which is this Telegram channel you see right here. I don't know if you can actually see it because I think I place it on private, right? So when I'm doing screen recording, anybody on the channel cannot screenshot or screen record, so I don't actually know if my screen recording is actually showing it, but there will be a link to have access to the Telegram channel where I drop the updates and videos, mentorship videos, and every other thing. And yeah, that is it, guys. So see you guys next time. I will coming up with some other updates, and take care, be safe.